two are the most dangerous shoppers. Hi guys, it's Shelby and Michelle with Farmhouse Living, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a shop with me video, and we're gonna focus on fall decor. We do have kids with us.
Yes, so it's real life.
This is real life. This is a little vloggy style. So we're gonna do just preview the fall at HomeGoods, Target, and Hobby Lobby and kind of get a game plan for the fall. But we're also going to enjoy some end of summer festivities. So we're gonna go harvest some pears from our friend's tree, and we're gonna go to Ham's Orchard and get some peaches. So just kind of really embracing the last days of summer.
Yeah, so Ham's Orchard is only open through the peach season, and we have literally days left before they're closed. So we've got to get that in because I know fall is coming when Ham's closes.
Yeah, and so we got our coffee. It's definitely a summer beverage because it's
still
hot.
100.
It's hot outside.
I really did wake up this morning feeling fallish because we had a great rainstorm yesterday, and so there was a coolness to the air, a crispness, and I was like, it's fall!
Yeah.
But it's not.
Yeah. She's mimicking you. All right, so let's go. You got your pumpkin?
Fun fall stems.
Those are cute. I feel like I need that for my living room.
I feel like I need it just for my life.
But where would it go in your house?
Upstairs.
Oh yeah. How much is it?
Oh, probably $100.
Let's see.
Beanbag toss? Why did you bring me here?
You can't be trusted at Target. I know, but you literally don't have anywhere for that lamp.
I have nowhere. What am I gonna do?
Just inspire someone else to take the lamp.
Okay, someone who has a spot lamp.
You're just gonna smile. I'm gonna say anything.
Oh, I love baskets.
Oh yeah.
This would be really cute on your counter.
I think it's too tall because I only have like 12-inch clearance.
But I want copper.
I love amber in the fall. Do you?
Yes. What do you think?
Does it smell good?
No.
It's not good.
Well, not for me, but I'm a snob. I didn't really think this through, sis.
So I thought we were going to do like just a preview, but Mom did a real haul. So what that Target honestly did not have all the fall stuff out.
Right. And the lady did say that they've been putting pumpkins out for 2 weeks. So maybe it's just that people have been buying them.
Yeah, I don't know. It was either picked over or it wasn't fully put out, but there's boxes everywhere.
Yes.
And so definitely things are happening.
Yeah.
But I liked that it wasn't like very kitschy. Like it was I gotta go. Okay. Everyone's hungry. Everyone's hungry. I'm hungry. Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Okay, so we're gonna talk about Target real quick, and then we're gonna go to lunch early and then do the rest of our shopping after. So, what I liked about it is there wasn't a lot of kitschy stuff.
Sophisticated velvet pumpkins.
Yes.
Awesome picks and wreaths and
just
things
a lot
that
of
were very earthy.
Cozy.
Yeah.
And I love that type of fall. I love fall that it's literally like, it doesn't feel like a harsh season change. It's something that you could use all year if you wanted to, but it also just feels cozy and special. And Mom has always, or I guess the past couple of years, done fall with navy and like these blue hues. Yeah.
Blues.
And so I remember her, I'm gonna pull up some footage. I remember her doing an entire tablescape with navy pumpkins that she bought, I think from the Target dollar section. She swears she doesn't have any.
She dreamt it.
I'll do some investigation.
If it is navy, these are more teal, so they're new.
No, they're not teal, they're navy. These are ceramic, those were velvet.
True.
It's what.
See?
Well, don't you already have those?
No.
I mean, not those exact ones, but pretty darn close.
Shelby.
But, so
all
I
new.
think it was a little silly to buy those, but we're just gonna do it. We're gonna
They
roll
were in
with
the
it.
dollar section.
They were in the dollar section, they were $3 each. So,
Yeah, you
whatever.
gotta watch that. That's very deceptive, the
Yeah.
dollar section.
Yeah, I don't think they call it the dollar. I think they call it like whatever that dog's name's Playhouse. But so we got those, and then I loved all the servingware. Like they had those really cool like plate holders and little ceramic platters with handles that I think would be really cool, because I feel like the fall to me, like going into Thanksgiving, feels like gathering season. It's like you could do a lot of stuff, especially in Texas, outdoors, like you could serve. I don't know, I just love that.
So I bought a blanket ladder because I needed it. And
Well,
and
actually,
that
I
is
want
also fall cozy blankets.
But I want it, so we haven't actually.
We might fight over it.
I want you guys to vote who gets the blanket ladder. I don't actually know where
We both actually have blanket ladders, but this was sophisticated.
Oh, I do have a blanket ladder in the playroom, but I want it to go. It looks like all the wood hues that I have in my living room.
But it looks like it would go in my upstairs game room.
Anyways, we'll figure that. This is
we steal from each other.
Yes, but when we want something at the same time is the issue. So right now, but it's good to know that I could potentially inherit some velvet navy pumpkins.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Mine's a little messy. It's a little bit hot.
Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring.
Okay, so we are sweaty, but we are full and we are happy.
Yeah, peach pulled pork, peach and strawberry swirl ice cream, and now we need a nap.
Yeah, they have the cutest little store, so you can get like all of the farm fresh produce, and they've made some.
Yeah, lots of canned goods and things from the farm. And this family's really cool because they started this orchard a number of years ago, more than 50, I think. And what happened was he was a firefighter, and they were driving down the road one day. He saw this plot of land, and he told his wife, "I'm going to buy that." And she said, "What for?" And he said, "I'm going to grow peaches." And she said, "You don't know anything about growing peaches." They bought it, and the story goes, Mrs. Ham told me, I said, "Miss Ham, what's your success? Like, what's the secret?" And she said, "Oh, honey, we dedicated that peach farm to the Lord the day we bought it. And do you know it has never failed to produce a crop?"
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's pretty amazing. So now I'm full, and so I'm prepared to continue shopping.
I'm prepared to take a nap.
Yeah, Quinn ate so much ice cream that she had to take her clothes off. We had to do an outfit change. It was very much an indulgent experience. But this is the end of summer. This is
That's what it means.
We're taking every dose of the season, and even though we're normally the early, we decorate early for Christmas, we decorate early for fall, we do embrace every drop of the season.
Yes.
So,
yes.
all right, off to HomeGoods.
Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things.
I'm sweaty.
I'm tired.
So HomeGoods, I would say, was a fall bust. But if I was shopping for normal, oh, here's a pair.
Yeah, normal everyday items. They had some cool stuff. We just didn't find any fall that we had to have.
No, I would say that if I was to recap my HomeGoods experience, is that they were lacking sophistication. So if you like more kitschy stuff that says, oh, okay, it says fall, or just like Halloween, they've got
Lots of
Halloween out of the wazoo, but we don't decorate for Halloween.
We do more nature, and we just go straight from fall into winter.
Yeah.
So, I mean, we've told y'all that. So we don't really do holiday kitschy stuff, if you will.
What I noticed, a lot of the things that I did like were they had like basket woven pumpkins, wooden pumpkin, ceramic, like glass pumpkins.
They did have some of those.
They also had like a blush, like
a blush pumpkin.
Fall, yeah, and that whole setup was really cute. So if that was your scheme for the year,
right,
that would definitely work. It's not ours, so it didn't work, but that would be cool. We found a leather sofa that we thought we could use for a project that we're working on, but
it was a little more than we wanted to spend.
Normally when you go to HomeGoods, we are like, it's like under $1,000, but this was $1,900.
Yes, but it was probably a $2,000.
It was worth it. It was worth it. It was a good find. And then they had some good accent chairs. We saw a puppy, and they had a lot of good puppy finds, and we love dogs. So that could have been cool. But just in general, if you're more into the nature inspired fall, I would go more of the Target route. Right. And I'm going to go home. I took a picture of a bunch of the stuff that I loved while we were out, and I'm going to round it all up and put it in a shopping thing, because I think that shopping online for fall decor at Target might be a little easier, just because it seems like they're having different inventory at different places, and I just want it to be available. I don't want to go pick through. Right. So we're gonna round it up, put it on the blog. What the last summer, end of summer activity that we did today was we picked pears. We picked pears. Our friend has a pear tree, and in August we come and we harvest. So we did peaches, and then we came and we did pears. And my husband makes an incredible habanero pear salsa. Yeah. And so if you guys are interested in that recipe, I can share it with you. Yeah. It's amazing. Yeah, that was just kind of honestly, like, that is what we do for fall decor. We put out like pears, we cut pampas grass, we actually drove by. Yeah, we shared that on the YouTubes and the internet, and then our favorite pampas grass spot is now like naked all the time. We went balls to the wall with pampas grass. Yeah, we did a lot of pampas grass, but I like light touches that I might incorporate. We have a whole field of cow parsley, and so I'm thinking I might do some cow parsley this year. Something like that. So yeah, we like to do fresh fruit on the table, whatever's seasonal, and some cuttings, cozy blankets, things like that. So I'm gonna make a blog with our fall type roundup, but you guys saw our fall haul. It's our fall haul. Our what we found and what we liked. And yeah, so I would say I had a lot of fun, but if I was trying to buy fall, I wouldn't have called today successful.
No, I mean, I think we had a success. I'd call it success because we found some fun things at Target.
And we had a good time.
And we had a good time.
Yeah.
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 We had peach pulled pork. We picked a pear. I mean,
Yeah.
what more do you want?
Yeah. So it was a good end of summer, like final
Yeah.
summer hurrah. So
Which I've been asking to do for almost 2 weeks now.
she has been asking, but it finally feels like it is coming to a close. Like it's still
Yeah.
so hot, but it is definitely, the seasons are slowly transitioning.
Yes.
So if you want more fall inspiration, if you're ready to dive down that hole, I am going to link in the cart, or in this, you know how we do the end screen thing, I'm gonna put Mom's house decorated for fall 3 ways. We made a video comparing all of the different ways, and then I'm also gonna do your fall home tour. So those 2 videos
Okay.
are gonna be right here, and close us out, Mom.
All right. Like, subscribe, share your fall inspiration with us because we like to see what you guys are doing too. And invite your friends to join us. Yeah.
And go ask a friend if you can pick their fruit trees.
Pick their pears or their peaches.
Oh, really good.
It is really good.
Bye, guys.
Bye.